So firstly, we get our clips. So this is my clips without the Twixtor. So let's get started. So firstly, you need to go to speed. Now lower the clip speed. You can reduce it to how you see fit. After that, you should scroll down and enable smooth slow-mo, then choose optical flow. Now let's wait for it to render. Now go to video, then scroll down till you see motion blur. Then do this, shown on your screen. Now do the same for the rest of your clip. After that, make it a compound clip. Now go to adjust, then do this, shown on your screen. Now, we need background music for the edits. For non-copyright tracks, I usually generate mine using Music Creator AI. Let me show you how. So now let's head over to the website. The link is in my description. It's really easy to use. Simple. Enter the type of music you want, and the AI will generate it instantly. Let me show you how it works. For example, I'm looking for something like a calm lo-fi sound. I'm just going to type it in. And also, it can generate different types of sound like scare, romantic, and much more. After you're done typing, you click on Generate and wait for it to generate. Now, listen to it. After that, we download it. Now, let's get back to CapCut to import the music. And that brings us to the end of the tutorial. If you want the Twixtor clips, they're available for download on my Telegram channel. Link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, then have a nice day. Thank y'all and peace out.